Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing DJI OSMO Mobile 2. This is it's not very new, but I just get it like yesterday. So I'm thinking about unboxing it and then see it. It's very cool to use with your iPhone XS Max, and it's pretty cool. And I also thought this is the new one. So this is what it's look like. Let me take this one off. Right here. Ooh, this is what it look like inside. You will got the physical one over here. Yeah, this is the menu button, and this is also the camera button over here, and then this is also the switch, and then the switch over here. But this one is kind of a little bit it's a little different with the old version. Over here it just has just one. That one is also a little bit lighter, but it looks very cool. And here you're gonna be catching your cell phone on it. I mean, yeah, the only thing left on the box is gonna be the cable, but this one is the one that built in, and it's built in with battery, so you don't need to like change the battery anytime. So you're just gonna plug in right here, right there. Here you put your USB, and then over here, yeah, this is what it look like, guys. And it's pretty cool for like people if you want to record 4K 60 frames per second. This one is gonna be like very nice to use. I mean, like, that's all was in a box. I mean, and they also over here there's also some guideline over here with the books that you can give you some instruction over here. It's very cool. Well, there's one over here. Yeah, over here there's also quality insurance over here. There's some other stuff over here. The free two-way shopping. Yeah, we are here to help. And this one also is just, you guys know, it's just the regular one, how to set up it with the old instruction. I think it's like it's English and Chinese, something like that. And then there's also the other one over here also. It's another guideline. But yeah, this is going to be this is what is the most important thing is going to be distance. So this is what it look like. It's pretty cool. I mean, I'll be making a very nice videos with this one. And please make sure you like this video, and thanks you for watching. Bye.